To control the speed of electric motors, we use a drive. As we mentioned in previous lessons, there are different methods for controlling the speed of electric motors, and one of these methods is the multi-speed method. With this method, by using 3 switches, we can have up to 8 frequency steps. This method is widely used in overhead cranes, conveyor belts, and mixers. Stay with us as we explore this feature. The first step to enabling the multi-speed feature on the S100 drive is to connect these 3 switches to 3 of the drive's digital inputs and configure them. Here we have connected these 3 switches to terminals P3, P4, and P5. Then we will proceed to go into the input parameter set and carefully set parameter E67, which specifically corresponds to P3 to the value of 7. 5 warbies. We set E68, which corresponds to P4 to 8, and E69, which corresponds to P5 to 9. The next step is to define 7 frequency steps for the drive, where we set the first 3 steps using parameters ST1, ST2, and ST3. The next 4 steps should be set from the base parameter set, specifically from base parameter 53 to 56. Let me mention something here. We consider the command frequency as the first frequency step, and here we set the command frequency to 10 Hz. We set the second frequency step from parameter ST1 to 20 Hz. The third frequency step, which is specifically designated as parameter ST2, is carefully set to precisely 30 Hz. From parameter ST3, we set the fourth frequency step to 40 Hz. For the fifth frequency step, we select base 53 from the base parameters and set it to 45 Hz. We set the sixth frequency step from base parameter 54 to 50 Hz, the seventh frequency step from base parameter 55 to 55 Hz, and the final frequency step from base parameter 56 to 60 Hz. Now let's go test it and see how it works. We said that our first frequency step is the command frequency, so now if I run the drive, it will start operating at 10 Hz. To activate the second frequency step, according to the manual table, the first switch, which is P3, must be activated. Now, as soon as the first switch is activated, the drive starts operating at 20 Hz. To activate the third frequency step, only the second switch should be activated, and as soon as we activate the second switch, the drive starts working at 30 Hz. To activate the fourth frequency step, both switches 1 and 2 must be activated simultaneously. And you can see that with both switches 1 and 2 activated, the drive is working at the fourth frequency step, which is 40 Hz. And in the same way, according to the manual table, we can operate the drive in 8 different frequency steps.